Hi, creators want to edit videos effortlessly using AI? With AI powered editing, you can transform raw footage into professional quality videos in just a few taps. In this video, I'll walk you through how to edit videos using AI and make them look amazing with B-roll, transition, sound effects, and more. So, let's dive in. First, open your Captions AI and then tap on Create and then click on AI Edit. Upload your raw video footage from your gallery. Keep in mind that these work best for short videos up to 1 minute. Once uploaded, AI will generate and analyze your footage and prepare it for smart editing. Now comes with the fun part. You'll get to access the various AI powered editing styles that instantly transform your video. Scroll through the pre-made AI editing templates, preview how each one looks with dynamic transition, text animation, and effect. Once you find a style that matches your video, tap continue. After selecting your style, the Captions AI works its magic. In just a few seconds, your video will be enhanced with a cinematic B-roll, music and sound effects, smooth transition, and effects. However, keep in mind that you'll need to upgrade the Pro version to export your final video. Once you've unlocked the Pro, you can make the final tweaks to text, the animation, and effects. Download and share your AI edited video on your favorite platforms. And just like that, you've created a high quality AI edited video in seconds. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit like if you found this useful, subscribe, and comment down below if you have suggestions and comments. Thanks for watching.